Angharad from Angharads Live, and in today's video we'll be sharing with you all what I get up to on my 21st birthday.
It's going to be really lovely to take everyone along with us and share what we get up to in Disney on your 21st birthday.
It definitely is going to be amazing. Shall we finish off, get ready, and then go to Breakfast Man?
I think that's a great idea.
A year ago this very day, I saw you from a mile away. That night, a magic night.
You ready to go down to have breakfast?
Definitely.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
Oh, they're just as delicious as last time.
They are so delicious.
I would walk on glass. I would run 10,000 miles and more. I would give my eyes. If you lost your sight, I would run through fire. I would carry you through the heat. I would do it all again. If you needed me to.
Merci.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I know.
This is more first birthday. Yeah. Can't wait.
Enjoy the birthday tonight?
Yeah, definitely.
You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
Yeah, teacups. Birthday teacup.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over.
That was fun. Pirates next. Pirates of the Caribbean was as funny as usual, wasn't it? Absolutely brilliant. It was.
Whenever you need my guidance, whenever I can hold you still, then all we know is when we counting every hour, every second makes it easier to keep on breathing. At night in my dreams I feel peace, I remember it all. And all it takes is faith, or hate, saying goodbye. And I wish time went slow.
Big Thunder Mountain was so much fun. Shall we do Phantom Manor now, Mum?
That's a great idea.
Thank you.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday!
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling home.
We're going to do buzz?
Yeah.
Hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you
panini for lunch.
Is it as good as last time?
Yeah, it's so delicious. On our way now to the studios for a bit.
Really looking forward to it.
Me too. Can't wait.
Web slinger.
Web slinger first.
I think that's gotta be the first ride, isn't it?
Definitely. So excited to go watch this live. Slinky Dog.
Saw forgiveness together, spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night. And I'll turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been. But you can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin. I think I lost you somewhere between.
We're now off to downtown for birthday dinner. Really can't wait.
I can't wait as well. It's going to be amazing.
I wonder if we've got any new vegan options.
Oh, I wonder. Is it
Last
good?
time we went,
Oh, last time we went, it was really lovely, wasn't it?
it was absolutely incredible. I really can't wait now. Can you, Mum?
I'm really looking forward to it.
Oh, it's gonna be great.
It is.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Just about to try the vegan lasagna. Wow, that's delicious. Enjoy it. We're now going into the Disneyland Hotel to see one of our friends who works there. Can't wait, Mum, can you?
It's going to be lovely to be able to catch up, isn't it?
It definitely is, after listening to it downtown too.
Cause you turn me on to my heart.
name of the cocktail, it's Rêveur.
Okay.
That's meaning in English, Rêveur, dreamer. It's a dreamer.
Yeah.
So, the dreamer, it's for you. Good. I've got a special flavor for you, like perfume. Give me a hug.
That's lovely.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds?
Today was absolutely incredible, and we really enjoyed taking you all along with us on how much fun I had on my 21st birthday. It was absolutely amazing, man.
It really was. I'm so glad that you enjoyed everything that we did on your 21st.
We really hope you all enjoyed seeing what we got up to too. And thank you so much for bringing me to Disneyland Paris on my 21st.
You're more than welcome. We really wanted to make your 21st special and magical.
It was definitely so special and so magical. And it really was so lovely for everyone else who wished me a very happy birthday too. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know how you have celebrated some of your birthdays.
That's a great question.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care.